Ever wonder why the same properties keep popping up online, but the real deals are nowhere to be found? Ready to see what pros don't want you knowing? Hi there, it's Korianne. It's good to see you back. For those who are new here in this channel, I have been investing in cash flow real estate for over 20 years now and start to have some white hair. And reaching my financial independence in my mid-30s. And now my passion is teaching other professional women how powerful it can be to build a six-figure cash flow side income through real estate while still working a full-time career. Today, we are revealing secrets real estate professionals don't want you knowing. You will learn how to spot hitting deals before they hit the markets, how analyze properties like a pro, and financing hacks that can help you win, especially before changes coming in 2026. So what you will learn in this video, how real estate agents and investors really find off-market deals, and how you can too. The checklist pro use to spot good deals and avoid traps, financing tricks, structures, and urgent ways to keep your edge as a buyer or investor before 2026, actionable steps and questions to ask on your next deal, some real stories and interactive questions to share your wins or worries in the comments in this video. I have helped many women just like you build cash flow portfolio, beat agents as their own game, and claim independence. So no flops, this is what actually works. You may want to know how profile hitting deals. Let's start with the biggest secrets. Most amazing deals never hit Zillow or Realtor.com. They are called off-market deals, meaning only insiders see them. So how do real estate pros actually scoop up hitting deals? Network like crazy. Agents with connections get pocket listings, meaning they hear about homes before anyone else. If you network, attend local real estate investor meetups, build relationships with your real estate agents, even with builders, you start getting the calls. Word of mouth is gold. Let your circle know you are looking. So many deals are snapped up because someone told a friend who told their real estate agents. For example, this is real. My friend Sayla wanted a lakefront homes in Austin. She didn't find it online. She found it by talking to local real estate agents. She who hooked her up with local builders, pre-list deal. She saved about $600,000 compared to the market prices. Here is a question for you. What is your biggest challenge to find off-market deals? Share it in the comments and let's brainstorm together. By the way, if you want to save 30 to 50% of your income tax every year, check out the video link at the end so that you can learn about it. Are you ready to get your buyer's box dive in? Let's talk about how analyze property like a true professionals. Real pro have a strict checklist. I call it the buyer's box. It's not what you see on online calculators. Here is what most agents never show you. Compare actual rental income, not estimates. Check at least 3 recent leases in the same zip code or within a 1-mile radius of the property you are planning to invest in. Never trust the listing price. Agents often overprice to win your business. Always demand comparable market analysis with proof. Walk the property yourself. A great kitchen doesn't always sell homes. Focus on the bones before beauty. Insist on your own inspectors. Don't waive inspection just because your agent say it's normal. For example, Sarah and her sister almost bought a triplex listed as a rental gold. We checked and 2 units had month-to-month leases from family. So the income wasn't real. They walked away and found a townhome with the real side tenant leases. So what on your must-have list? What is non-negotiable for your dream investment? Let's build your buyer's box together. So share in the comments so that I can help you. Next up, the part agents hope you never ask. Creative financing hack. Before 2026, some of the best loan strategies and deal structure are hidden in the plain sight, especially with higher interest rates in 2022 and new rules may coming in 2026. Here are hacks top pros use. Seller financing. Score flexible payments plans directly from the seller. You can negotiate lower down payments, interest, and schedule that matching your cash flow. The DSCR loans, debt service coverage ratio loans, they don't look at your personal income, they look at the property's income. If the building cash flow well, you can buy more properties faster. Rate buy downs and interest-only mortgages. As for rate buy downs, sometimes seller or lenders pay to get you a lower rate, or for investment properties, interest-only mortgage keep your payment lower until refinance later. Using equity without selling, that called HELOC or cash out refinance, let you tap into your home's equity for future deals without selling it. In 2025, a member of our community bought a fourplex using seller financing. She only need about 8% down, keep the payments flexible, and didn't even touch her savings. That building now covers half of her monthly expenses. This option can be changing soon. So make sure to act before new mortgages rule kick in. So here are some questions for you. Have you used any creative financing or want to try one? Let's talk about worries, wins, or idea. Drop them in the comment below. So here is your playbook. Network, analyze like a boss, finance with creativities. If you are ready to rewrite your future, keep watching all the loop videos here. Keep learning and keep building your wealth. One smart investment at a time, the quality one. And if you want to join our Smart Real Estate Women community, get on the email list so you will know when enrollment opens again. Ciao for now.